Easy English.
Mary and Peter are in the same class. Mary and Peter are in the same class. They are classmates. They are classmates. Mary and I are not classmates. Mary and I are not classmates. We are good friends. We are good friends. You and Judy are classmates. You and Judy are classmates. You are good friends, too. You are good friends, too.
There are many animals in the zoo. There are many animals in the zoo. These are zebras. These are zebras. Those are lions. Those are lions. These are tigers. These are tigers. Those are monkeys. Those are monkeys.
We are good friends. We are good friends. You are students. You are students. They are classmates. They are classmates.
There are books. There are books. These are apples. These are apples. Those are pencils. Those are pencils.
They are students. They are students. We are friends. We are friends. Those are your pencils. Those are your pencils. These are my books. These are my books. There are many apples on the table. There are many apples on the table.